Imagine waking up to this every single day. One of the first things you notice in this space is how calm it feels. The light, the breeze, all the textures, it really has this beautiful sense of ease. The focal point is this kitchen. The scale of this kitchen really gave us an opportunity to make a statement of this exquisite limestone. I just love how this honed limestone stretches almost uninterrupted across this back wall. No upper cabinetry, no visible range hood, just clean lines, natural stone, and space to breathe. It's bold, but it's also subtle, which makes it feel beautifully balanced. And paired with the bronze accents, it creates a focal point that defines the palette of the home. I love when nature becomes art in a space. It just has this effortless kind of beauty that you can't replicate. As for the rest of the finishes in this space, we kept the palette grounded with natural timber floors, oak joinery, and then added those soft organic textures. Nothing feels overworked, everything is very effortless. It's the kind of space that works just as well for a laid-back weekday as it does for entertaining your friends on the weekend. You can really imagine enjoying your morning coffee out on the balcony, looking out at the beach, and then relaxing here in the evening, wine in hand. And the views just get better and better the higher you go. At the top, you're just immersed in ocean. In the primary suite, you have this fully bespoke walk-in robe with full height joinery and open shelving. It's super functional and great for displaying your favorite items. One of my favorite parts of this suite is this curved cabinetry detail. It's just a great way to bring in that warm, organic design language into the bedroom in a really refined way. And then the ensuite, it really speaks for itself. The travertine, the limestone, and just enough brushed brass to bring in that quiet sense of luxury. It's definitely luxe, but it's not loud. It's the kind of place where you can really enjoy your morning routine, feeling both peaceful and also indulgent. As we move into the back of the home, the layout shifts to a more private zone, perfect if you have kids, guests, or just looking for a quiet place to retreat. The powder room and laundry continue that warm, calming palette with the same thoughtful details that you've seen throughout the home. The design stays consistent in the materials, the tone, and the overall flow. In the afternoon, the light here is just beautiful. Soft, golden, and inviting. It really makes this part of the home feel like its own little sanctuary. From the street, Ayla holds its own in the most understated way. The soft curves, the textured materials. There's really a quiet confidence to the architecture. Ayla is all about balance between beauty and function, calm and sophistication, detail and simplicity. Every part of the home has been designed to support real life, from the smart layout, to the generous kitchen, to the outdoor terrace. Nothing's wasted, everything has a purpose, and it all feels deeply considered. For me, it's the kind of home that you walk into and just feel instantly at ease. And the best part is that feeling will last. Ayla is so timeless in design and effortless to live in that it will feel just as special in 10 years' time as it does on day one. If you enjoyed this tour and want to see more of our homes, please subscribe. We have some beautiful projects in the pipeline. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.